I have a confession to make. 1 year ago, I was using TikTok, right? Actually, 1 year ago, I was using Facebook first, right? To do live every day, and then, it helps me in my business. When we are in a lockdown, I was really frantic. I don't know what's going on, and I thought my business would tank. A few months later, after a while, a few testings of TikToks and also doing live videos almost every day on Facebook, right? My business survived, and I realized that in this new world right now, right? New pandemic world, everyone requires to do business right online. If you're not doing business online, you are at a losing end. I find a lot of customers on TikTok. So when I realized that not many people are on Facebook right now. A lot of Asians are on TikTok. I gradually migrated to TikTok. But I'm still posting videos on Facebook. So I realized that the power of social media. If you're not using social media to your advantage, right, you are at a losing end. So if you're interested to learn more about how to use social media, right, for your business, follow me for more. For me, right, basically, right, I am coming out with a TikTok workshop on the 19th of November, 7:30 p.m. At only $50 per person. I mean, others business coach are like charging like what, $997 US, right? So I'm not gonna do that. I want all of us to actually, grow in this business together. And if you're interested to know what I'm doing, follow me for more.